The Tesla Cybertruck entered a towing competition with the Ford F-350 Super Duty, one of America's most popular heavy-duty pickup trucks. Of course, it's not easy against Ford's massive 6.7-liter power-stroke V8 engine, which is built for towing. Unfortunately, the Cybertruck can't tug. Once the Ford F-350 begins to pull the Cybertruck, there was no chance it could recover. Even after multiple attempts, the Cybertruck was no way able to defeat Ford. This was a big letdown, especially since Tesla hyped the Cybertruck tug-of-war abilities during the debut. Also, it is ridiculous to do a tug-of-war with vehicles that are not the same weight. The weight and tire friction area should be similar so that it is fair. Even still, that doesn't take away from the fact that the Cybertruck will likely be a seriously powerful truck, and in coming future it will be able to defeat Ford F-350.